Hi everyone! Today's video will be unboxing my Boxycharm. So this is gonna be my first time doing an unboxing video. So I have this subscription Boxycharm. It's every month. It's about $20 a month, and you get at least 5 full-size beauty products. This month it's like such a small box. I'm surprised. Usually it's like square. I don't know. Anyways. And then they usually have this insert. So it's $21, but it's a total of like more than $100 for all these products. Let's see. Wow. I love this. Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Oh my goodness. And I just bought me a cleanser. It's called Glam Glow Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And this is $28. It looks pretty. The packaging is pretty. It smells weird. Like paste. Does it supposed to have a scent? Okay, that's that. This is 28 bucks. And the market price. Whatever you call it. Next. Let's cream eyeshadow. It is a $22 market price. Ooh, I put too much. Can you guys see? Yeah, my lighting is so bad, but next. I don't know, I'm not too excited. I'm not a glitter person. Ooh, Steve Laurent. Okay. Steve Laurent. I'm just kidding. Lip gloss! Yay! Market price is $22 for this. Let's see what it looks like inside. It's in Posh. Ooh! Should try it on. It looks pretty. It's like tinted lip gloss. Now this I like. I love lip products. I love lipsticks. I love lip gloss. Looks like that. So that I love. Yay! See, there it goes. That's my $21 right there. I love one product at least. And then, ooh, they got 2 more. Lip pencil. Oh, okay, it matches with a lip gloss. Vintage by Jessica. I can't say the word. Anyway, it sells for $21 for this. Wow. Ooh, it looks pretty too. Okay, last but not least, Alamar Cosmetics blush. Oh, medium to tan. Yes, it's my color. Because sometimes Boxycharm, they just send you like random products, so it could either go with your skin or not. And I've been lucky lately, and whew, okay, so here it is. Pretty colors, good for the summer. Orange, light orange, dark orange, and very dark orange. Just kidding. Like, that's what they look like. Oh my goodness, you can't even see on the camera. So that's it. It's $115 for all these products, and you get it for 21 bucks. Wow! It's a monthly subscription though. And that's my unboxing of Boxycharm. Okay, there you go. Bye! That's it.